Welcome. In this quick C# exercise, we write a tiny program that checks two integers and returns true when either one of the integers is 20 or the sum equals 20. This is a classic beginner problem that helps you practice reading console input, using logical operators, and writing concise conditional expressions. I'll walk you through the goal, the implementation, and a few test cases, and small improvements you can make. Let's jump in. Here's the task. We read two integers and check three simple conditions, whether id is exactly 20 or whether the sum equals 20. If any of these are true, print true. Otherwise, print false. This problem uses straightforward logic, but is great practice for Boolean expressions and reading user input from the console. Here's the program. We prompt for two integers and pass them what converts to int, 32. The key line is the Boolean expression x is equal to 20 or y is equal to 20 or x plus y is equal to 20. The OR operator ensures that if any of the three conditions is true, the overall expression is true. The result is printed directly to the console. It is compact and expressive, exactly what you want for small checks like this. Step 3. We read x, then y. The condition is evaluated in left to right order for short-circuiting. But since these checks are cheap, it doesn't matter performance-wise. If any of the three checks passes, the expression short circuits to true and we print true. Otherwise, we print false. This is a simple idiomatic pattern in C# for combining multiple Boolean checks. Here are some quick test cases. Notice the different ways the expression can return true. Either operand equals 20 or the sum does. Also, that order doesn't matter. The OR expression handles all cases. If you need structured behavior, like treating 20 only if exactly 1 is 20, you would change the logical expression accordingly. This pattern appears when you need to check for a sensible or target value, like a score threshold in a game or a special command code in input parsing. For teaching, it's a nice exercise in combining multiple logical conditions and understanding short-circuiting evaluation. To wrap up, this small program demonstrates a clear idiomatic way to check multiple related conditions in C#. For production code, prefer int.TryParse to handle invalid input gracefully, and consider wrapping the logic into a reusable method that returns bool so you can use unit tests on it easily. Great job! Try modifying it to other target sums or require exactly one value to be 20. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.